Simple Mobile, operating on Verizon's network, can sometimes experience issues with receiving calls. Two common culprits are Do Not Disturb and call forwarding. Let's address Do Not Disturb first. On Android, go to Settings, Sound, Do Not Disturb, and ensure it's disabled. On iOS, check the Control Center to make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. If Do Not Disturb is off and you're still not receiving calls, call forwarding might be the issue. To cancel call forwarding, dial *73 and press call. This will reset any active forwarding configurations. A Reddit user in Florida had a similar problem, which stemmed from a phone update activating Do Not Disturb alongside call forwarding to a number they no longer used. Ensure Do Not Disturb is disabled and forwarding is off before moving on. If Do Not Disturb and call forwarding aren't the cause, try resetting your SIM card. Start by powering off your Simple Mobile phone completely. Locate the SIM card tray, usually on the side of the phone. Use a SIM ejector tool or a small paperclip to open the tray. Carefully remove the SIM card. Wait 30 to 60 seconds before reinserting. Reinsert the SIM card and ensure it's properly seated. Power your phone back on. This forces the SIM to re-register with the network and often resolves temporary glitches. For instance, TracFone conducted a pilot program showing that SIM resets resolved 85% of ghost call cases. One user case involved a bent SIM card. If problems persist after a reset, consider visiting the TracFone support site for assistance, or perhaps if the SIM is damaged and needs to be replaced.